the kitchen. Today I want to share my ButcherBox unboxing. I haven't done one of these in quite a while, but I thought it was time. You guys, I've been buying butcher boxes for a while and I love the meat that they send. And I just wanted to make sure that you knew that ButcherBox was good, what it looked like, what you can expect when you open a box. And that's what we're going to do today. So I can't wait to show you what we have here. If you've been around any length of time, my kitchen for a while, maybe you've probably heard me talk about ButcherBox before. We've actually been using their meat for several years, and it's something that I genuinely love had to have stocked in my freezer. ButcherBox delivers high quality meat and seafood right to your door, frozen for freshness, so you can choose from beef, chicken, pork, seafood, and a lot of different cuts and options. So you can put together a box that works the way your family actually eats. And that's one of the best things that I love about it. I also really love the flexibility. After your first order, you can choose from more than 80 different products, change your selections, change your box type, adjust your delivery frequency or your delivery date, and you can cancel anytime and shipping is always free. So I wanted to dig into this box. I cut the side tape just so that I wouldn't have to do that on camera, but I'm going to cut this tape. And then also keep in mind, I live in North Carolina and today is over 90 degrees outside. They take a lot of care to pack their meat, and it always comes packed in dry ice. This has evaporated, but it always comes like this. So it comes with a lot of good insulation. And I chose a beef, chicken, and pork box this time. You can make your own choices, or you can just choose a variety pack if you want to. So here it is. This is still frozen solid, and that's lovely. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the box out of the way, and I'm going to lay everything out on the counter so you can see it. So I emptied out the butcher box that came, and I wanted to share with you everything that was in the box. And honestly, this is a real treat. But you can order as much as you want. Honestly, this is the best quality meat. I was excited because there are literally 4 pounds of their grass-fed ground beef in here. This is such good ground beef. It's so lean. You don't even need to drain it when you fry it up to brown it, and it's delicious. Okay. It also came with beef ribeye steak, so there's a couple of those. And since it's just Rick and I now, I know who those are getting. Those for dinner. This is some beef sirloin tips, and we're going to enjoy that. These are some little sirloin steaks. I think they're probably 6 ounces, and a package of free range chicken tenders, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Oh, they are non-GMO verified. And the last thing that we got is a slab of St. Louis style pork spare ribs, halved. So I think this makes it easier for them to ship, because in the past we have gotten full racks of ribs from them that were long, that were not cut like this. So I definitely know that these ribs are delicious because they smoke up really good, or you can cook them in your pressure cooker and then finish them off under the broiler with your sauce. Absolutely fantastic. I absolutely love having good quality meat at the ready in my freezer. And to be quite honest with you, this is all certified. It comes from farmers that ButcherBox sources on their own. This is not like mystery meat from the grocery store, to be quite honest with you. I am very reticent to order grocery store meat. Like if I do my grocery order from the big box store, honestly, that meat is a little bit worrisome in my opinion, because I don't know where it came from. I don't know how old it is, because sometimes grocery stores like to do that trickety trick where they relabel their meat, and having it from ButcherBox is an excellent way to get that. It's an excellent value. And if you're thinking about trying ButcherBox right now, they have a really good offer for new members. When you join using my link down below in the description, you can choose free steaks for a year. So you can choose ribeyes, New York strips, or fillets, and you'll receive 2 of your chosen steaks free in every subscription order for an entire year. And on top of the free steaks, you'll also save $17 on each of your first 6 ButcherBox orders. Now, ButcherBox provided this box to me at no cost, and I'm also a ButcherBox affiliate. We've been using and enjoying their products for years, so I'm happy to recommend something that we actually use ourselves. And I have been using ButcherBox meats for, oh my gosh, at least the last 8 years, I would say. Um, I'm going to put my special ButcherBox affiliate link in the description box below. When you use the link to sign up, you're also helping to support Noreen's Kitchen and my channel at no additional cost to you. So I thank ButcherBox for providing today's box and for supporting Noreen's Kitchen channel. So you guys, let's get cooking. If you're interested, you can find the link down below. I hope you try it. I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.